Just to start off this video, I wanted to give a huge shout out and thank you to Arthur Wheeler for the super thanks he left in my previous video. Kiitos ihan hirveän paljon super thanksista. Ja joo, opitaan nyt enemmän suomea. Hyvää ystävänpäivää teille kaikille mun ystäville. Tänään on siis ystävänpäivä. 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 Ja halusin toivottaa teille hyvää ystävänpäivää. I've actually filmed 2 videos before on the topic of Valentine's Day on this channel. Actually, one is on my vlog channel. One is about roughly 5-minute chatty chat on the topic of Valentine's Day in Finland. This was filmed in 2017. Oh, what a great year that was. Have very fond memories from 2017. And then another video is on this channel, which it breaks down how to say Happy Valentine's Day in Finnish. So I urge you to go watch those videos if you have not done so yet. So I was trying to come up with what to do this year for Valentine's Day, and I thought that I could go over this cute little poem I found on Pinterest. It's in Finnish, so I'll just go through it, translate it together with you guys, and obviously I picked it because there is Snoopy in the photo. If you guys didn't know, Snoopy is a beagle. Snoopy on beagle. Sydney, my dog, is a beagle. Mun koira Sydney on beagle. Actually, the creator of the whole Peanuts characters and cartoon was from St. Paul, Minnesota, and that's also where I've lived as a toddler. So yeah, there's just a lot of fond associations with Snoopy. So Snoopy in Finnish, by the way, is ressu. Ressu. And Peanuts, the cartoon series, is called tenavat. Tenavat. Tenavat ja ressu. Okay? So this little Valentine's Day poem, I guess, is it called a poem? Poem is runo in Finnish. Runo. Runo is poem. Runo. So as I've said in the previous videos that I've made, the translation for Valentine's Day, Ystävänpäivä, is Friends Day. So a lot of these Friends Day poems in Finnish revolve around friendship and wishing your friends the best. And since all of you guys are my friends as well, te kaikki olette mun ystäviä myös, I thought, yeah, a friendship poem would be appropriate. So it starts off by saying, hyvät ystävät ovat kuin tähdet. Hyvät ystävät on kuin tähdet. Sorry, ovat. I just changed it to puhekieli by myself. Hyvät ystävät ovat kuin tähdet. So, hyvät ystävät is good friends. The T's at the end indicate plural. So, it means good friends in plural. Hyvät ystävät. Good friends. Ovat, are, kuin, like, tähdet. Again, the T is indicating plural. So tähti is star, tähdet is stars. So the first phrase is hyvät ystävät ovat kuin tähdet. So good friends are like stars. The next part goes, vaikka niitä ei aina näy, tiedät silti niiden olevan olemassa. So what that translates to is, vaikka niitä ei aina näy, vaikka, although, niitä, they, ei, literally means no, but in this sentence it's like making it negative. Aina, always, now, see, now is see. So, vaikka niitä ei aina näy translates to, although you can't always see them, niitä, them, although you can't always see them, comma, tiedät silti. Tiedät is knowing something. So tietää is to know. Tiedät is in you form. So you know is what it means. You know, silti, still, niiden, they, olevan is to be, olemassa, to exist. So, tiedät silti, you still know, niiden olevan olemassa. They still exist. So, that whole phrase together, hyvät ystävät ovat kuin tähdet. Vaikka niitä ei aina näy, tiedät silti niiden olevan olemassa. Translates to, good friends are like stars. Although you don't always see them, you still know that they're... Although you don't always see them, you still know that they exist. And then in the bottom corner it says, Ystävänpäivä terveiset hyvälle ystävälleni. So here we have ystävänpäivä, line, terveiset. So the line is just indicating it's the same word, but it didn't fit on the same line. So they've just put the terveiset on the underneath, even though if you would write it in one single line, you would write it all together as like one word. So ystävänpäivä, as my other Valentine's Day video breaks this down step by step. You can go watch that if you want the complete breakdown, but it means Friends Day. Terveiset is greetings. So Valentine's Day greetings or Friends Day greetings, hyvälle, to a good. So the LLE at the end is indicating kind of like to. So to in English, TO. So to a good is what hyvälle would translate to, because hyvä is good and the LLE is indicating like to someone good, to a good. And then ystävälleni, ystävä again is friend. So again we have the LLE, which is indicating to that friend, and then the NI at the end is indicating the friend is mine. So don't worry too much about these endings because I haven't done the case videos yet, but that is essentially what the endings break down to in their meaning. So ystävänpäivä terveiset hyvälle ystävälleni. So that translates to Valentine's Day greetings or Friends Day greetings to my good friend. And this is in singular, to my good friend. So yeah, halusin kanssa toivottaa teille hyvää ystävänpäivää. And I guess that just about concludes this video. So till next time, moikka!